Hello ka-dreamers! So, eto na naman tayo for today's vlog. I-vlog natin ang throwback na ating climb during our Mount Mayon climb 2014. So, it's almost 12 years. As you can see, sobrang ganda ng ating background for today's vlog. Nandito tayo, nag-pitch tayo ng tent and going to sleep na because we're going to climb Mount Mayon by tomorrow sa summit mismo guys so ayan, so pinakatuktok ng Mount Mayon, makikita niyo yung sobrang perfect na view ng Mayon volcano. So ayan na nga guys, let's see the sunrise. See that? Super pretty. I can't believe it. Super nice talaga. Super amazing. Thank you, Lord. So, andito na tayo. We're heading to the summit. And of course, pag umakit kayo ng Mount Mayon, lalo na sa panahon ngayon, 2025, you need to make sure na pwede pa umakyat kasi prohibited siya as of today because of the eruption. And super active ni Mount Mayon ka-dreamer. So, better safety ang lahat. Alright? So, but this video is actually when we're meeting with the foreigner. Ayan. So, aakit na ulit tayo going to the summit. Malapit na tayo sa summit, guys. Don't you worry. Konting kembot na lang. And we're good. So, gusto ko lang talagang i-vlog ulit ang Mayon. Kasi ito yung isa sa pinaka nahirapan akong bundok. This is not the highest mountain here in the, in the Philippines, of course, because Mount Apo is the highest. But this is one of my toughest mountain here in the Philippines. Super ganda lang talaga ng summit. Napaka-perfect ng cone niya. And nakita nyo naman yung eruption, diba? Nakita nyo yun, guys. Yan, nandyan kami niyan. So, I'm so proud of myself. Dahil naakyat ko siya bago pa siya maging super active. So, ayan, guys. Super happy na. Fulfill na yung life ko kasi naakyat ko na si Mount Mayon. But, next time, Everest naman, yun yung goal natin, but not the summit, just in base camp. Okay na ako, I'm good. So ayan guys, super the best and amazing with my friends. Sila din yung kasama kong umakyat ng patukan last time, but this one is perfect talaga. So kung makikita nyo itong vlog natin na to, pababa na tayo ng Mount Mayon, going back to the campsite or camp 1 or 2. So, ayan na guys. Medyo mahirap to. Struggle talaga when you're going down kasi mandatory talagang bumaba. And, tips pala guys, yung mga suot kong gear na yan, pagbaba, butas-butas yan lahat kasi sunog talaga. Pati yung shoes ko, Salomon yung shoes ko, pero nasunog din siya because of the heat ng Mount Mayon, as in super talaga. Pagbaba namin dito guys, hindi ko talaga siya makakalimutan. One of my favorite memories, yung pagbaba namin dun sa may pababa na ng summit. Dun ako masyadong nahirapan kasi makikita mo talaga kung saan ka mahuhulog. Ayan kita nyo yan, super perfect, isang mo lang dyan guys, yan yung pinaka niya, babagsakan mo. Ayan, perfect yung clouds, sea of clouds here in Mount Mayon.